Market update on the 24th. So today we started off in the low 412s, bounced into 414-ish to 415, and we ended at 413.67. We got a pretty clear picture of where we're at now. So if we go through the waves, we have first wave, second wave. We can do a parallel line from here, and clearly third wave right here. Third wave ends, we don't see a green bar until down here. So 1, 2, 3. And if you go through the waves on a lower time frame, you'll see that it ends right there. Third wave, clone it from here, and you'll see we just came outside of the fourth wave today. Considering this the fourth wave right there. And right now, if we zoom in here on the 15-minute time frame, I have this labeled as 1, ABC 2, and at the very end of the day, we got a pullback from 414.43 to pretty much where we're at 413.67, up after hours. After hours doesn't really matter that much, but what am I looking for the next couple of days going into the Jackson Hole meeting? Let's take a look at where we could go based on the fibs. I would aim for, I think this is a little bit far for us to go based on us breaking this support, because we broke the support, it's more likely we're going to go all the way down to 400. And so while we could go to 400, I think it's more likely that we're just going to hit 408 to 410. And so let's use the fibs on this part right here. You got 1, 2, 1.61 fib is down here at 410.94. Pull back to somewhere in the low 411s. And ultimately, my target is like 409.35, which would be right in this area. Good support there. And then I think we were going to bounce from there. So I'm currently short some puts. I'm short with some puts, and we'll see how those work out. I would probably stop out above the first wave, which is right here at 415.12, and definitely if it's above 415.76. I think we do have GDP numbers tomorrow, so I guess there is a chance that we end up getting a really bullish reaction. In that case, yeah, I'd be out of those puts, but I'm just going by the chart, and I'll show you what else makes me think that we're probably going to finish this fifth wave tomorrow. Most likely outcome. So that's the SPY chart, looking for 409.40. The VIX. The VIX is very clear right now, in my opinion, on the 30-minute time frame. Clear 5-wave pattern. We got 1, ABC 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, and then we got pullback from there, consolidating between the 0.23 fib and the 0.38 fib for a fourth wave, and we got ABC right there. And yesterday, if you remember the video I did, I said my target was 23.64. We came all the way down, or 22.64, I'm sorry. We came all the way down to 22.75, so pretty close to what I was expecting. And now based on the fibs, again, my target for the upside is 25.50 to 26.20. And so if that happens, we should definitely see the lower number on SPY down to 409 to 410. So this is one of the times when the VIX, you can actually read it. Most of the time, it's not very easy to read. But right now, it looks like a clear 5-wave pattern. If it was invalidated, I would be looking for, if it goes below 22.03 tomorrow, that would be invalidation, and that would mean that we're already consolidating, and the market would probably go a lot higher, or probably go fill that gap up at 420. So if you're a bull, you're looking for a positive reaction off the GDP numbers. If you're a bear, you want this fifth wave to complete up to here. I'm leaning bearish and bullish on the VIX. On the dollar, I'm looking for, let's go into the dollar. I didn't really follow the dollar that much because, again, not very much movement today, but overall, I'm bearish on it right now, but I think that there's a good chance that we get a move higher tomorrow. So it looks like A, B, C. So maybe a move higher tomorrow to finish out the fifth wave on SPY. So that's the VIX, the dollar, and SPY. Anything else I can go over? We can go over the 10-year yield, but I don't think that really moved that much today. Let's see. 3.12. So yeah, it went up today. Still think there's a very good chance that this is a B wave, but we'll have to see if it can break the top of this. On the dollar, again, I didn't mention that I'm looking for a minimum of 106.87 on a pullback. And then it's either going to be a third wave or it's going to keep on consolidating back down to 102, 103. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Expecting move down in SPY, higher in the VIX to about 25, 26. Dollar probably a little bit higher. And I currently hold some puts for the record. So just we'll see how well that plays out. Obviously, like I said, I'll be stopped out if we get a big move higher. Hopefully that doesn't happen for my case, but anything is possible in the market, and I could be wrong. But that's what I see, and you got to stick to your convictions and make sure you use the right size on your positions so you're not losing too much money when you are wrong. So I'll get at you guys tomorrow with another market update, but that's it for today. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.